Hey guys, I just thought we'd do a quick unboxing and show through of this Tecnigas RS2 exhaust for Yamaha 100cc two-stroke models, such as the BWS or BWS 100 and the Aerox 100cc. So I'll just pop this one out of the box and let's have a look at what we get in the kit. So this is how we receive them. So all the fitting parts generally in here, silencer's detached, and it's in here, and this is the actual can itself here. So I'm going to pop all these parts out and put them together, and we'll have another look. Alrighty, so here's the exhaust all fully assembled. I've just for the purpose of the video, left these bolts here slightly loose. You can just see, so quite a clever system actually here, with rubber grommets on both sides with a pin that goes through, so that when this mounts up, there's no metallic part of the exhaust touching the metallic surface of the bracket. So I'm just eliminating as much vibration there as possible. So one of the things you'll notice, it's difficult to get an accurate idea through the video, but the expansion chamber on this, as it's for a 100cc two-stroke, is really quite large here, but it's quite long as well. So I'm aimed at getting sort of the maximum performance out of the engine as possible. So really nice quality kit, really nicely finished exhaust as well. As with pretty much all performance exhausts, it's going to be louder than the standard pipe. So you can just pop these two nuts off here, disassemble the silencer and repack it with some packing wool, which we also have available on the website. So awesome exhaust, and definitely a massive upgrade if you have a two-stroke 100cc Yamaha, like a BWS or a Yamaha Aerox 100.